Welcome back, children. Welcome in your science lesson. All right. Now there is a question which I want to ask you. That what are the things? What do you see at night time? What are the different things? I want you to name them. The things that you can easily see at night time. What are those things? Can you see birds? Birds flying at night time? No. Okay. Can you see the children playing in the ground at night time? No. So what are the things that you see at night time? You will see your car lights at night time. Okay, correct. What else do you see? You see, else will you see at night time? You can see cars going around and you can see their light. You can see the lights which are there in your houses, in your rooms. So you will see everything clearly and in your house, right? Okay. What else do you see on the roads? If you go out and if there are, are you able to see the things which are going on the road? Yes. Why? Because if there are street lights on, then you can easily see things. Or if you are going in your car and your car lights are on, then you can easily see the things at night time. What else do you see at night? If you look at the sky, what's going to happen? What will you see? You will see the moon and you can see the stars, right? You can see the stars also easily. So you can see my picture of stars, how I have pasted. These are different stars which you can easily see at night time, right? Okay, now I'll share a picture with you. And this picture again is going to tell you something. Can you see this picture, children? Great. Now what this picture is actually telling you? It's showing what? It's showing the night time, correct. Now you can see here there are clouds at night time. You can see the clouds, dark clouds, although it's a little lighter, but you can see dark clouds, right? And what else? You can see the different stars are also there, right? At night time, right? And one star is shining a lot, and so this star is giving you the light, right? Now, why these stars, the other stars are looking so small? Because stars are too far away from the earth. Okay? Stars are very far away from the earth, so they look very small. They look very tiny. Now, what about sun? Sun also look tiny? No. Sun looks a little bigger than the star. Why? Why does a sun? Why does do this? Why does sun look a little bigger than the stars? Because sun is nearer to the earth. Stars are very far away. So, but the sun is nearer to the earth, so that's why we can get the light and heat from the sun easily. All right, because it's not that far. Although whereas the stars they are very far away. So that is why they look very tiny. They look very small when you look up on the sky. So at night time, what do you see? You can see the stars, you can see the moon, right? You can see the clouds, right? That is what you see at night time. Now, if you go and look in your book, right, there is a picture drawn on page number 47. This, this picture is again of different stars at night time which are there in the sky. Can you see that? See how tiny they are looking? They are very small. Yes. Now these stars, they are like big balls of burning gases. They are balls of burning gases. They have burning gases. That is why they give us heat and light. All right. Okay. Now let's read and let's check it out what this lesson tells us more about stars. We can see stars in the Okay, I'll just read it like this. We can see stars in the sky at night Stars are very far away, like I have told you just now. Some stars are big balls of burning gases. Stars give off heat and light. The sun is a star, right? So they gives us heat and light, whereas some stars are big balls of burning gases. Do you understand what are stars? Why they are far? Why they look so tiny? Because they are very far away from the earth. Do you understand my point? Yes, children? Okay, that's great. Now, what I want you to do is, I want you to draw a picture showing a night time. Okay, first picture you are going to show me what is happening at the night time. Like the picture I have shown you just now, you can take help from that picture. You will draw the nighttime picture, and you are going to show the daytime activities. So let's see what you just tell me first. What are the activities that you do at daytime? You can play in the playground. Wow. Then you will see the birds which are flying in the air, flying in the sky, and at daytime you can see the sunlight also at daytime, right? Which you will not see at nighttime. Nighttime there will be light from the moon, and that light will be not that much, whereas the sunlight is too bright. Yes, so you can show a picture of children playing in the park, or you can draw a picture of birds flying in the air, right? And the sunshine is there. And you can draw a picture of nighttime activity, like in night, the stars are there, the moon is there, and everyone is sleeping in the house. Yes, so this is how you can show two different pictures, right? Since it's a big task, you have to draw the pictures. You may color it later on at home. Just draw it right now. So I'm going to give you 10 minutes for this task. All right, your time starts now. Time is up. Have you done it? Can I see that what you have done? Yes, Alia, show me your work. Wow, that's great. Neha, very nice. Amir, very good. Okay. Now, in the plenary, in the wrap-up session, I want you to describe your pictures, right? What you have written, what you have drawn. I want you to describe it in front of everyone. Okay, come on, start, Amir. What have you written? Yes, I have shown a nighttime where the stars are shining in the sky and I can see the moon. Very good. What about daytime? I have shown children playing in the playground. Wow, that's great. Very good job. Okay. Yes, Sarah, Neha, what you have drawn? Okay, you have also drawn the same type of picture showing stars. Okay, can you just describe it, please? I have drawn a picture of nighttime and it shows the stars and moon shining in the sky. Very good. What about daytime? Yes, very nice. Come on, now describe your picture. I have drawn a picture of birds flying in the air and the sunshine is there. Very good. Great job. Yes, Nihana, your turn. Wow, that's great. Now, can you describe your picture, your nighttime picture? Very nice. Now, she has drawn a house in which everyone is sleeping because it's nighttime and there are stars from the window and you can see the small moon from the window. Excellent. Very good. And what about daytime? Very good. She has drawn children are playing in the playground at daytime. Very nice. So there are different activities. Now these activities differ from one another. Daytime activities are different. Nighttime activities are different, right? Right? So why? Because you have seen what happens at nighttime and daytime. There are different things that happens. The sun is not there at night, moon is there at night time, right? Okay. Now, so that means that what we have discussed in the class today, we have discussed about the stars, that why the stars are so, why do the stars, they look so small when you look at the sky? Because they are very far away from the earth. Although they give us heat and light, but that heat and light is not that much like that of sun. Why? Because sun is nearer to the earth, so that is why we can get the heat and light more from the sun as compared to the stars, right? And you have also seen that the stars are big balls of burning gases, right? So they give us heat and light. All right. So I hope it's very, very much clear to you all. Whatever we have done in the class, it's all about the stars. Not much is there to explain you. All right. So I hope you must have understood. Okay. Now there are few questions that I want to ask you. Okay, in wrap up session. The first one, we can see the dash in the daytime. In the daytime, what can you see in daytime? Sun. Wow, great. We can see the sun in the daytime. The sun is very dash from the earth. Is very far from the earth or very near to the from the earth? Hmm? Very far from the earth. But sun is also far from the earth, but stars are more far from the earth. Okay, they are further than the sun. Okay, so the sun is very far from the earth. Okay, now what about the next one? The sun is a big ball of hot gases. Great, hot gases. The sun gives us bright. What does the sun gives us? Bright light. Correct. Okay. Now the last one, we can see dash in the sky at night time. We can see the stars in the sky at night time. Very good. Good job. Okay. Now, can we see the stars in daytime? No. Okay. Now, are the stars nearer to the earth? Are they nearer to the earth? No, they are far away. Now, stars are burning gases of they are big balls of burning gases? Yes. Okay. Do stars give us light? Yes. And the sun is also a star? Correct. Wow. Great job. You were able to answer the questions which completes the whole unit that we have done about the sun and the stars, right? So I hope you have understood what we have done in the class. I hope you have understood about the stars and everything and what are the different activities that we do at daytime, at night time. I hope they are very, very clear to you all. We will be doing these activities in detail later on in this term, but for today's topic, it was only the stars, the basic things of stars. All right, I hope it's clear to you all. Do your homework, which I'll be posting on portal. All right, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a nice day.